Okay, so today we have the Western Digital My Passport hard drive in the studio, and this is the third video of this series, which I have been making on hard drives and talking about its features and giving you an overall idea which drive you should buy. So let's unbox it and let's see what we have in the box, and also I'm going to do some read and write speed tests. So let's get started. So here is the box, and we have the Western Digital My Passport 1TB version. It's built with 256-bit hardware encryption to help ensure your files are protected. Also, it comes with a 3-year warranty. It works on Windows, Mac, and even with a Chromebook. But for Windows, it's plug and play. And for Mac, you have a downloadable NTFS driver to use this drive. Okay, so let's open up the box and let's see what we have in it. Okay, so it's a pretty basic unboxing. Just the bare minimums. We have the hard drive itself with some documentation. Okay, so now let's talk about the design and build quality of the drive. On the design front, the WD My Passport has a new sleek and stylish design that's just about as compact as to fit in your palm easily. The WD My Passport has been redesigned to feature a convenient slim form factor, making it to slip into any pocket of your bag or even on your shirt. The hard drive is ultra portable and light in weight and is sized just about a standard size passport. The top side has a USB 3.2 interface with an LED power indicator. It has a colored exterior font with a black color back. Though my hard drive is black, so it's overall a black drive, but it comes with a 3 vibrant color. The My Passport drive is equipped with WD Backup software, which lets you back up all your data on the go. You can set it to run automatically as per your schedule. Just pick up the time and frequency to back up your data from computer to the My Passport drive. Okay, now let's talk about the performance and benchmark. The WD My Passport drive uses the super fast USB 3.1 first gen port for the faster data transfer and is compatible with USB 2.0 ports. Here the complete information provided by the Crystal Disk Info software. Speaking of the performance of the drive, I have tested the read and write speed using the Crystal Disk benchmark, and here are the results. The read and write speeds are above 120 Mbps, which is good for a portable hard drive running at 5400 RPM. The WD My Passport is among the compact and ultra-portable external drives, and it seems to be an excellent portable drive. The USB 3.2 interface is a +1 for delivering faster speeds, and the design is quite appealing as compared to the previous generations. In addition to that, the strong 256-bit encryption is great for data protection in case loss or theft. The WD My Passport drive is arguably one of the best hard drives you can buy at this price point. So that's it for today's video. If you want to buy the hard drive, I have given all the links in the description. So buy one for yourself from there. And also in this budget, the Seagate Backup Plus Slim is also a great choice. I have already made a review of that hard drive. So if you want to watch that video, all the links are given in the description, or you can visit my channel. And while visiting my channel, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-da.